Hasteni Joto Thwngrwng bodor 5 September salmario CAB no Kasuna bagwi Joto Choba Ongkhornai abono tui srangcharo TSF IMPD Tisho Tripura Indigenous Royal Association adonro kasa kokthumnen kuthumung khlaikya andao koknaro tun TSF ni suni debo masaka okke pasungoi thangka hangke Tripura Hasteni Joto Tripura sarok tongnani kesepungnai aboni bagwi boskani 3 September salmario Joto Thwngrwng bodoni lukurongno koikya o Choba Ongkhornai bagwi.
Thank you. DSF and other different like-minded organizations, we have decided in the last meeting to organize a mass gathering against the Citizens Amendment Bill. It will be held on 30 November 2019 at Kasuna. Every one of us know that what is CAB. I will not explain about CAB. But through this agitation of movements, there will be a strong warning for the central governments. The people of Tripura and people of Northeast will not accept CAB at any cost. And also warnings, don't make Tripura dumping ground of legal migrants. And it will, our appeal to the people of Tripura and all other organizations who have not consented yet to join in this movement, we hope they will also be positive. They will also be positive for our movement, and they will, of course, oppose the Citizens Amendment Bill. And there should not be any misunderstanding about some people are accepting CAB. There may be a policy of central governments to make a divide and rule policy. So we should be very sincere about this. Lastly, we will appeal to join our movement and make it a grand success. And one thing, this movement will not be our last movement. We will continue our movement till the last winter sessions. And according to central government decisions, we will take our mode of movement, nature of movement, what will be. It may be continuous road blocking or strike also. So after 30, we will take another decision, next decisions for our course of action, course of movement. Thank you.
Hai hambai sini media rokno. Ini sen anyan nangka hai tawisa. Tahu bagi himla tinin je. Press meeting ka joint press meet tini snaro different organization tongo tini joint press meet tan bagi himala tini bus kango 30 tarik 30 this November sem hai Citizenship Amendment Bill notoi sem hai movement khain bagi tini sem ready mangkha tan bagi himala hai sem saimano parliament obo kanani ekdom hai chances ongi tongo sini of je sini baskani movement mongka sini khumlongo 30 tarik khaijanai all regional political party tongo the NGOs tongo joton milui join dibabe sing khaijaknai joralo andolon khaijaknai sini andolon kormosuchi ingkha duita ni simi pasta jola sing gathering mass gathering tongnai tai sini leaders rok phainai different organization ni broad speech rongnai tai pasta ni simin ga kachini hai tini azal 30 tariko sari phajino jung je masol misil je loka sogoi jung aduna protest khaine je government of India je central government jung protest khaine je o CAB no tui jung bor tamni bagi tini sa jora o CAB na sa interest kha tini sana musma kha mosi India kha Indian ni bagi si India for Indian not illegal migrants ni bagi tini single agenda tongo je tini CAB ne tui jung sini 30 tarik ni movement amka single agenda kunara double agenda kare kaisen agenda chung we oppose Citizenship Amendment Bill, we oppose CAB monosin main agenda artan bagi mal chung saimon tong CAB de pass kangkai sini notice ni bisingo tilpana job tini hampari unai ar mo kasi request khanam suma khai moses chung tipra basir na tini sini tipra jo tini hampari na chung saimon ni tong sini tipra jo tini effective na chung saimon ni tong fiarba notice ni bisingo jo tini movement kom gangkai tini tipra initiative kom na jogi tong So ang जों request appeal खायो हाय बार-बार जों appeal खायो जोंनि त्रिपुरा बासी रखनो जोंनि त्रिपुरा हानि त्रिपुरा सा रखनो जों appeal खायो जों movement 30 ता जतो न फाइनली बगरि जों जतो जोंनि तहिम बुम साजाका जों joint movement सा दंनाय जों जे कनसन मानका जों जेएस का INPT दङो INPT नि सिक्ला बदल दङो IPF त्रिपुरा हा दङो NCT दङो टिसॉस दङो ते खत्रिय समाज दङो ते TYPC बरो कन्सेन्ट बिखा ते गमो दङो तिनि चिरो NGOs रो बरो बहायनो तिनि कर्मचारी संगठन बरो गमो दङो ते सिविल सोसाइटी रो बरो जतो कन्सेन्ट जन्म बरो जतो फाइनाय चिनि बस कमो 30 तारिख अनो जों सक्सेस खायनि बगै चिन सोसाइटी जाबो जों सोसाइटी ना जों मन आपिल खायो जा दिन जतनो बखाबाय साथै जों जेसेबां कायसन स्लोगान जे सेव द त्रिपुरा जे कैट में जों अपोज के वी अपोज CAB we oppose CAP. This is the single agenda.